Here we are starting up with determiners first. Now, do we all understand determiner क्या होते हैं? हम determiner किसको बोलते हैं? Determiners are when we use a number of words before the common nouns or adjectives plus the common noun. We call them determiners because they affect or determine the meaning of the noun. Now, simply stating what are determiners? Determiners are something that affect the meaning of the word or meaning of the noun basically. So they change or determine the meaning of the noun. इसको हम determiner बोलते हैं. Determiners, what help do they give us? Determiners make it clear. For example, which particular thing we are referring to. So determiners make it clear very much. और how much of a substance we are talking about, और हम किस substance की बात कर रहे हैं, किस substance के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? This is all about determiners. Singular countable nouns must normally have a determiner before them. हर एक singular countable noun के आगे determiner होगा ही होगा. So there are two types of determiners. Determiners which classify or identify, with determiners which indicate the quantity. So first type are determiners which classify or identify. Indefinite article. I bought a new pen yesterday, but it is not necessary to say which new pen. Definite article. The book I am reading is expensive. I am telling you about the particular book. Right? So this is definite, particular. Indefinite मतलब मेरे को पता नहीं कौन सा article, but one of them. There are group of articles which are lying. Right? There are group of pens which are lying in this case. So कौन से वाला pen? I am not stating it. I am not clearing it. That is indefinite. Now what is definite? The definite says the book I am reading is expensive. So I am reading some expensive book. I am telling you about the particular book. So in this case, I am talking about one particular book which has a cost, right? Next is demonstrative. I bought this table yesterday. So I bought this table yesterday. मैंने कल ही ये टेबल खरीदा है. Okay. So मैंने कल ही ये टेबल खरीदा है. So this is demonstrative. That is the one I am showing you. जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. Possessive. Do you like my car? So the one that is there with me, I may have it. I may have put my hand on the car. So which car? Possessive. So possessive determiner. That is the one that belongs to me. So I'm talking about that car. Next is demonstrative. Demonstrative was I am showing it to you, something which I have in my hand probably, and I'm saying you, I'm asking you to please come and see. That is demonstrative. Determiners which indicate the quantity. What are those determiners that indicate the quantity? For example, numbers. I bought 2 new dresses yesterday. So I've purchased 2 new dresses. That is how many I bought, so number. So quantity means I'm expressing with a number. Quantifiers. I did not buy many apples today. मैंने बहुत सारे एप्पल आज नहीं खरीदे. That is not a great number. Proper great number नहीं था उनमें से. So बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं थे. There was not much sugar in the house. घर में बहुत ज़्यादा sugar नहीं है. That is not a great quantity. So here we are talking about a quantity. Next is determiners compared with pronouns. So जब हम determiners को pronoun के साथ compare करते हैं तब क्या होता है? Determiners are always followed by a noun. हमेशा determiners follow करेंगे by a noun. Words such as some and this followed by a noun function as determiners. So ये जितने भी words हैं ये सब noun function को follow करेंगे as a determiner. When they stand on their own, they function as pronouns. जब भी वो अपने आप खड़े होते हैं ये pronoun का function है. So I want some water. So some plus noun functioning as determiner. So ये determiner दिखा रहा है कि some के साथ मतलब some मतलब quantity नहीं mentioned है कितना. I want some on its own functioning as pronoun, right? इस case में functioning pronoun कर रहा है. I want this. So this on its own functioning as pronoun. So this is functioning as a pronoun. Then there are important determiners. What are they? So list of determiners. Determiners, we might have understood till now that determiners are all those words that determine a particular sentence or a line. So what all things do they determine? They determine they affect, determine. What do they determine? They determine the meaning of the noun, right? So this is determiner. Okay, so important determiners क्या है? Articles. A and the, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ए कहाँ लगता है, एन कहाँ लगता है और द कहाँ लगता है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट डिटर्मिनर्स है. नेक्स्ट आर डेमोस्ट्रेटिव्स. सो दिस, दीज, दैट, दोस, दीज आर डेमोस्ट्रेटिव्स, राइट. सो डेमोस्ट्रेटिव मतलब किसी चीज को दिखाने में हेल्प करते हैं. दिस इज माई पेन, दीज आर माई कार्स, दैट इज माई हाउस, दोज आर माई फ्रेंड्स. पोजेसिव, पोजेसिव मतलब जो मेरे पोजेशन में है. सो माई, our, your, his, her, its, their. These are possessions. So possessive. Possessive simply means possession. Some other determiners, for example, some, any, much, many, each, every, few, very few, little, very little, a little, either, neither, all, whole, less, fever, right? So these are other determiners. Then there are articles. So the definite article, जहां पे definite बात होती है, definite के बारे में, पक्का, we use the word the, and the indefinite article a and an, functioning as limited objectives. There is a separate chapter, so हम इसके बारे में अलग से पढ़ेंगे. I have it in next few topics. Next is demonstratives. So demonstratives क्या होता है? Demonstrative point out persons, places or things. Demonstrative मतलब दिखाता है, किसके बारे में? Persons या places या things. This boy, these boys, that man, those men, this chair, these chairs, that tree, those trees, this town, these towns, that village, those villages. So what does this show? This demonstrates about something. Demonstration. Possessives. Possessives show that the things mentioned belong to somebody as. So possessive कि ये किसी के किसी को belong करती हैं. So ये किसी की हैं. My. My is possessive. My book. Our friends. Your watch. His father. Her mother. Their homes. ये सब possessive possessives होते हैं, right? So बाकी determiners के बारे में जो हमने बात की, some other determiners. So how we express them? We express them by some when used with nouns to represent things that can be counted. So उन चीजों के बारे में जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं. Means a few or small number. थोड़ा या small number. So when we talk of some, what are we talking of? We are talking of little. थोड़ा. Some मतलब बहुत कम quantity. When used with a singular noun to represent something last, cannot be counted. Some, जिस चीज को हम count नहीं कर सकते, ये some उसमें use होता है. So if I say I need some rice, so I need some rice. अब some कितना? I cannot count. So some rice. बहुत ही कम, a little or a very small quantity. So some is generally used in affirmative sentences में ये use करते हैं हम. I have bought some shirts. कुछ shirts मेरे पास हैं. Some men are born great. Please pass some salt. Some, कुछ salt मेरे को pass कर दो. There is some tea in the kettle. Kettle में कुछ चाय है. Any expresses a small number with countable numbers and a small quantity with singular uncountable nouns. So any, you might have understood about some. Any का मतलब है कोई भी. So लेकिन कौन सी? कोई भी एक चीज दे दो, कोई भी दो चीज दे दो. So if I ask you which of the things do you want, you say sir any of it. So यानी कि आप किसी एक चीज को मांग रहे हो. So it also expresses a small number with countable nouns and a small quantity with singular uncountable nouns. So any is used in this sense in questions and negative sentences. Are there any files on my table? क्या कोई फाइल्स है मेरे टेबल पे? इज देयर एनी टी इन दी कैटल? चाय, कैटल में कुछ चाय है? There are not files, not any files on my table, and there is not any tea in the kettle. Okay, so next is much, many. So after some, many, next is much, many. Many, many का मतलब क्या होता है? Great, great number, काफी बड़ा number. Much means large quantity. So much quantity में use होता है, many number में use होता है. Many is used with countable nouns, much is used with uncountable nouns. ठीक है? So much को हम, many को हम countable के लिए use करते हैं और much को हम uncountable के लिए. Many people want to see the film. I do not have many books. There is not much water in the tank. The tailor has much work in hand. Right? Less. Next is less. Fever, come. So less denotes quantity as. Please put less sugar in my coffee. So quantity दिखा रही है ना, less quantity. Fever का मतलब क्या होता है? Fever denotes number. Fever जो है वो number को दिखाता है, less quantity को दिखाती है. There are fewer boys in this section than in that section. No fewer than 20 girls were absent. Right? So these are the basic differences between the different determiners. So less, fewer. Less का मतलब quantity, fever का मतलब number. All, whole. All denotes number as well as quantity. He ate up all these sweets. So number दिखा रहा है all और quantity दिखा रहा है. All men are mortal. सारे men are mortal. ठीक है? So whole and whole denote quantity. Whole का मतलब quantity होता है. All denotes number as well as quantity. Whole denotes quantity only, as we have written the whole page. यानी कि पूरा page. The whole of the shop is on fire. So number and quantity. Each and every, each refers to one of the two or more things or persons. So दो तीन चीजों में से एक. The emphasis is being on the individual whole of a group of more than two taken individually. So please understand it once again. Each. What do we refer each to? We refer each to one of the two or more things. दो या तीन में से one, कोई भी एक, या persons. The emphasis is on the individual whole of a group. Individual whole क्या होता है? Individual whole of a group of more than two taken individually. So individual whole का मतलब है individual, अकेला अकेला, ग्रुप में से, of more than two taken individually. So अगर हम दो या दो से ज्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं लेकिन हम अलग अलग दो से ज्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं. So each student has to bring his book tomorrow. So ये मतलब I am talking to everyone. Each girl will get a prize. हर एक गर्ल को प्राइज मिलेगा. Each student was given a book. हर एक स्टूडेंट को बुक दी है. So we are talking of more than two people, but how are we talking? We are talking to them individually. Every man wishes to be happy. ठीक है? So every. We expect every man to do his duty. So this is every. Either, neither. Either means one of the two or both. So दोनों में से कोई एक. Either. ठीक है? There are trees on either side of the road. दोनों में से किसी एक तरफ. You can go by either road. दोनों में से किसी भी एक रोड पे आप जा सकते हैं. Either means not either or none of the two. ना तो इधर ना दोनों में से कोई और. Neither side is winning. दोनों में से कोई भी जीत नहीं रहा. She took neither side. उसने किसी की साइड नहीं ली. This is either, neither. Few, a few, the few. So few. Few का मतलब hardly any. कोई भी, इनमें से कोई भी is few. It has a negative meaning. इसका मतलब negative होता है. Few men reach the age of 100 years. बहुत ही कम लोग हैं जो 100 साल तक पहुंच पाते हैं. He is a man of few words. So man of few words मतलब, so you might have understood the meaning. He is a man of few words. So man of few words मतलब कोई भी, वो ज्यादा नहीं बोलता. few people are free from faults, कुछ लोग fault से free होते हैं. So a few, so we have just read few का मतलब hardly any. A few मतलब बहुत कम, small in number. It has a positive meaning, right? He was asked to say a few words. I have a few friends in Paris. So he was asked to say a few words. I have few friends in Paris. The few means not many but all of them. The few का मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं but बहुत ही कम. He lost the few friends he had. वो कुछ friends को lost कर गया, lose कर गया जो उसके थे. This means that the friends he had were not many and he lost all of them. So जितने भी उसके friends थे वो बहुत नहीं थे but वो उन सबको lose कर गया. The few clothes the tailor had were spoiled. So you understand the meaning of these three: few, a few, and the few. So few का यहाँ मतलब hardly any and negative meaning होता है. A few का मतलब a small number, it has a positive meaning. ठीक है? And the few का मतलब ज़्यादा लोग नहीं, but सारे. So the few people attended the party. सो अगर आपने जितने भी कम बुलाए थे तो कम के कम आए, लेकिन आए जितनों को बुलाया था वो आए. द फ्यू, सो ज्यादा नहीं. नेक्स्ट इज लिटल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लिटल, अ लिटल एंड द लिटल. सो लिटल मीन्स हार्डली एनी, इट हैज अ नेगेटिव मीनिंग. इसका नेगेटिव मीनिंग होता है. अ लिटल मीन्स सम थ्रू नॉट दो नॉट मच, कुछ सारे नहीं. ठीक है, इसका पॉजिटिव मीनिंग होता है. एंड द लिटल मीन्स नॉट मच बट द होल ऑफ इट. सो ज्यादा नहीं बट जितने हैं उतने सारे. ये क्या होता है? द लिटल. सो लिटल मीन्स हार्डली एनी, हार्डली एनी. देयर इज लिटल स्कोप ऑफ द पेशेंट्स रिकवरी, बहुत कम चांस है उसकी रिकवरी के. देयर इज अ लिटल शुगर लेफ्ट इन द पॉट, सो पॉट में बहुत कम शुगर रह गई है. अ लिटल मीन्स सम, कुछ. ठीक है, ज्यादा नहीं, दो नॉट मच. इट हैज अ पॉजिटिव मीनिंग, इसका पॉजिटिव मीनिंग होता है. ही हैज स्टिल अ लिटिल मनी लेफ्ट इन द बैंक, अभी भी उसके बैंक में कुछ पैसा बाकी बचा है. अ लिटिल नॉलेज इज अ डेंजरस थिंग. लिटिल नॉलेज, लिटिल नॉलेज का मतलब जो थोड़ी सी नॉलेज है वो गलत होती है, डेंजरस है. The little means not much. So now you understand the difference between little, hardly any, a little, some, though not much, and the little means not much, but the whole of it, right? So I gave to the beggar the little money I had. So मैंने beggar को वो पैसा दे दिया, little money that I had.